Hi Arun, myself is Chandra Kumar. I am working as assistant professor in Kugnadu College of Engineering and Technology in the Mechanical Engineering department. Today we are going to see about the car chassis. So the main components of chassis is frame, front suspension, steering mechanism, engine, clutch and gearbox, radiator, propeller shaft, wheels, rear and front springs and shock absorber, differential unit, universal joint, brakes and braking systems, storage battery, fuel tank, electrical systems, silencer, shock absorbers. So these are all the main components for a chassis, and we need to classify the chassis based according to the fitting of engine, according to the number of wheels fitted in the vehicles. So based upon the fitting of the engine, they have five types of categories: full forward, semi forward, bus chassis, engine at back, engine at center. So we're classified based on the engine where we are fitting the engine. So fitted outside in the driver cabin is a full forward one. So half portion of the engine is exactly in the driver's cabin. It's a semi forward one. So total engine is fitted in the driver's cabin. So bus chassis. Volkswagen cars, they have an engine at the back, and Royal Tiger World Master Business of New Delhi Transport are the engine at the center. So based on the second category, according to the number of wheels fitted in the vehicles and the number of driving wheels, 4 into 2 drive chassis, 4 into 4 drive chassis, 6 into 2 drive chassis and 6 into 4 drive chassis. So we all know that the 4 into 2, the 4 wheels out of 2 wheels are driving wheels. In that 4 into 4, the 4 wheels, all the 4 of them are driving wheels. In the 6 into 2, the vehicle having a 6 wheels with the 2 among the driving wheels. And 6 into 4, the 6 wheels out of 4 having the driving wheels. This is the basic one. And this is the layout of a chassis. So the chassis already we discussed about the components. So once again we see radiator, engine, clutch, gearbox, propeller shaft, differential, wheel and type, tire, rear axle, petrol tank, universal joint, horizontal member and side members. So this is the components we are fitted into the chassis. So first of all, we need to discuss about the components and driving system of the chassis in an elaborate manner. So first of all, frame. It is the foundation of all the components. We are using in the chassis the frame, the foundation of all the components. And suspension for a smooth ride purpose. The steering system, driver to accurately control the direction taken by the vehicle. So whatever may be the direction, the steering system helps to drive to the left, right and forward to backward, whatever may be the steering mechanisms. So braking system, moving motor vehicle to rest or slow down. Internal combustion engine, it is the heart of the automobile. So the combustion takes place within the engine. The air is supplied along with the measured quantity of fuel. So another component is a clutch. It is the main function of a clutch is to take up the drive smoothly from the engine to release or disengage whenever the desired. So to transmit the engage or disengage power from the gearbox to the engine. So clutch is working as a main component. So gearbox to provide the necessary variation to the torque applied by the engine to the road wheel according to the operating conditions. So propeller shaft transmit power from rear end to the gearbox to the final reduction gear and the axle. And last one is universal joint fitted to the rear axle to permit turning of propeller shaft. Then differential, it is a very helpful to front to the rear, the power transmission through the differential. It helps two rear wheels to turn the different speeds at rounding a curve. So springs are fitted between frame and wheel to prevent the upward movement of the frame along with up and down movement to the wheel. So front axle, steering arms and track rod link. Two stub axles are together used for swinging them. So rear axle, it is enlarged at the center of the enclosing of the final drive gears used for providing main speed reduction between engine and driving wheels. Finally, they have a battery and the wheels. It is a basic one for the automobile. So battery is the heart of the electrical system of a motor vehicle and supplies current to the cranking motor and ignition system. Wheels fitted below the chassis to support the load of the vehicle and the shocks caused by the road irregularities and absorbed by them. So these are the major components of a chassis. Then they have good characteristics of this. They have basic qualities for a good chassis. The first one is fast pickup, strength, safety, durability, dependability, easy of control, quietness, speed, power accessibility, economy of operation, low center of gravity, stability, load clearance, braking ability, good springing, and simplicity of lubrication. So these are all the points for carrying a chassis is a good one. So this is a character for a good chassis. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.